Hey guys, it's Don Molloy, your accredited buyer's representative here with Riverside Realty Group. Today I'm at an open house located here at 2520 Cortez Boulevard. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath home was built in 1948. It's on 0.36 of an acre. It's a very large lot right here in downtown Fort Myers, right near the Edison home, as well as Fort Myers High School and Cortez Boulevard. As you can see, it's a beautiful home and a great yard to bring up your family. So we're going to go through the front door and you'll be able to see some of the great features. One of the features is the original fireplace, the original wood flooring. Some things that have been done is they've updated the kitchen, updated the bathrooms, so it's all ready for you to move into. And here we go, we're going through the front door. And the first thing you see is this great wide staircase. Not too often in older homes do you have this wide a staircase, as well as a nice area with a wide hallway. To your left, you will have the dining room, and to your right, you will have the living area around the fireplace. Look at the great craftsmanship. So the nice things about this house, of course, is the age of the house, the original wood flooring, the curved doorways. We're going into the dining room area right now, which was to the left of the staircase. Now we're going to the updated kitchen. Now this house is priced at, how much, Don? $349, $345, I'm sorry, $345. It's priced at $345. We just recently took a price decrease. In honor of our open house. We had some great folks stop by today earlier. Look forward to seeing more of you today after I post this video. And we came from the sunroom, now we're coming down. This could be a bedroom here, or it could be an office. We passed by one of the bathrooms that has a shower. And now we're heading on upstairs. Now, if you're interested in being near Fort Myers High or Edison Park or Allen Park, you're really right in the right area. Pretty much you're in the South School Zone, so you have a good opportunity to participate in the Fort Myers IB program, the Cypress Lake Capstone program. Great original wood floors. Great little mini balconies off the windows there. Now we'll go into the master bedroom. Cedar closets. Great natural light throughout these windows. And then we'll go into the master bathroom. Again, more light. Nice vanity. And this is the other bathroom that is used for the other 2 bedrooms. So you've gotten an idea of what the inside looks like. We'll take you quickly outside so you can see the back side of the house. You saw the front. Now I'll show you the back side. Again, the kitchen area. The home is priced at $340,000.